Proteins play many essential roles in the body. For cells and tissues to be healthy, they must be able to make proteins that work properly. Proteins are made of smaller units called amino acids, linked together like a pearl necklace. To work, it should also form its correct three-dimensional structure through a process called protein folding. Cells have developed mechanisms to help the process go smoothly by promoting good folding, preventing bad folding, and getting rid of misfolded proteins. If these don't work, cells won't be able to produce functioning proteins, and unwanted mistakes could pile up and cause diseases. By studying these processes, we can find ways to intervene when things go wrong. I study a process called N-Glycosylation, where sugars are attached to certain amino acids and act as tags that monitor the folding process. By doing so, I get to help answer one of the most important questions in science: how do proteins fold?